Alrighty, sports fans, welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Our video today looks at some of the stocks featured on the bullstock.info website that look promising for swing trade on Friday, April 23rd. For the complete list of chart patterns, we invite you to visit www.bullstock.info. We're going to take a look at three chart patterns on this video. We're going to look at the belt hold pattern, which you see a definition of on the screen right now in front of you, as well as the bullish engulfing and the bullish harami chart patterns. So a couple of belt holds, bullish engulfings, and bullish harami for our video for stocks that look promising for trade on Friday, April 23rd. First, one of our belt hold patterns. One of the belt hold patterns, we take a look at CENX. CENX, Century Aluminum Company. And look at the belt hold pattern here. You can see it opened well below the close of the previous day's candle and closed up into the body. What's interesting to note about this belt hold pattern is we're looking right here on the chart right here. Big doji right here. A couple of days previously we had an up day, down day, but notice the 50-day moving average. That's this blue line. We came down and touched it here, had a little kick, came down on the low of the day to the 50. We opened below the 50 moving average and then closed above the 50. So this belt hold setting us up for a promising looking trade on Friday, April 23rd with CENX. You'll notice decent volume and stochastics in the oversold area just getting ready to start to curl. So the belt hold pattern for CENX. Also X, U.S. Steel Corp. U.S. Steel Corp with a belt hold pattern. And again on this chart, the 50-day moving average playing a factor. That's your blue line. Look at the past several days right here. We were right around that 50. Gap down, open low, closed into the body of the previous bearish candle. Decent volume again for U.S. Steel. Stochastics definitely oversold and have started to curl up. So belt hold pattern there. And just another note, if you'll look back right here, minor support, which is right here at this level, about the 57.21 area. You notice we came down low, and then we've been kind of hovering there. So just interesting little side note there for U.S. Steel. Okay, as we get ready to move on to the bullish engulfing chart pattern, we'll have I believe three bullish engulfings that we'll take a look at. An important bottom reversal signal is our bullish engulfing chart pattern. And we notice with TSTC, we have the bullish engulfing candle, and what that is, it's a bullish candlestick that engulfs or swallows the previous day's candle. And you'll notice it definitely does that on the previous day's bearish candle. The bullish engulfing is a more powerful candlestick the more previous day's candles that it engulfs or swallows. So look at there, 2 days worth of candles that this engulfs, almost 3. But then if you go back a day or two prior, look at all the candles with the exception of this little bit of a bottom of a body here. Look how powerful this bullish engulfing candlestick is for TSTC. About average volume, but stochastics oversold and kicking out. Nice looking bullish engulfing, as you can see back over here. If you'd been looking at this chart, kind of a double bottom area, a level of support right here on the 1323 area. You could have played off this bearish candle here and had a couple of days of wait until the bullish engulfing. But with this engulfing signal here, we are closed a little above the 8 exponential moving average, one of the moving averages we like to follow. We have a little bit of room to the 20, then the 34 exponential moving average, then the 50-day moving average. Right here, this 2 levels of support might act as some resistance, which would also be right around the 34 EMA, but would that be about 15.5, about a buck profit potential to the 34 EMA. So anyway, TSTC, good looking bullish engulfing. Gonna have to speed it up here, getting too involved, so sorry about that. But anyway, CTRP, another bullish engulfing, and another powerful bullish engulfing 2 previous days candlesticks. 50-day moving average playing a part right here, closed just above the 50, but we closed right at the 34 EMA, so keep an eye on that. Good volume, oversold stochastics, bullish engulfing for CTRP. And SMOD, SMOD, another bullish engulfing, and another very powerful bullish engulfing candle, engulfing 1, 2, 3, 4 previous days candles, closing actually right along that 34 exponential moving average. Low of the day, touching down on the 50, getting some support off that 50-day moving average. Look right here at this high. This past high was resistance. Look where that lines up, support. If you had kind of been looking at these factors and playing this chart a couple of days ago, you have noticed this resistance that turned into support right here on this big kind of a hammer signal here. You notice the rising 50. So a lot of things you want to keep a lookout. Oversold stochastics, big bullish engulfing, coming off a kick off the 50-day moving average. Nice looking bullish engulfing chart for SMOD. Other side of the spectrum for the engulfing is the harami. That's the candlestick that actually is engulfed by the previous day's candle. Harami in Japanese means actually a pregnant belly, so it looks like the pregnant belly of a woman. So bullish harami for JOEZ. Oversold stochastics haven't curled yet, but this action forming right on the 34 EMA. So keep an eye on JOEZ. And another bullish harami, seed, SEED, seed. Again, look here at the price action, some sideways consolidation. Look back over here, some resistance as this thing tried to get up. Previous resistance turns into support. Look at that right here. So we're kind of all right in this line here. Closed just below the 8 exponential moving average. So all of our moving averages are right here. Keep an eye on this. Bullish harami, oversold stochastics kicking up, curling up. If we can get through these moving averages a little bit, good looking profit potential there for seed, a bullish harami chart pattern. That's going to do it for our bullish candlestick chart pattern video. Compliments of bullstock.info. Follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/bullstock. And of course, for the complete list of free bullish candlestick chart patterns each and every trading day, just visit the website at www.bullstock.info. We appreciate you watching, and we will see you again next time.